10 money mistakes keeping you poor. Imagine earning 30,000, 50,000, or even 1 lakh every month, but still feeling broke. The truth is, most people don't stay poor because of they earn too little, but they stay poor because of the small money mistakes they repeat every single day. Today, I'll reveal 10 common money mistakes that quietly destroy your wealth. If you fix even a few of these, your financial future can look very different. So, without getting delay, let's get started. Mistake number one, spending before saving. Most people follow this pattern. Salary comes in, bills get paid, shopping happens, dining out, entertainment, then whatever is left, it becomes saving. Usually, nothing will be left. Instead, pay yourself first. The moment the salary arrives, take a 20% into an investment. Learn to live with the remaining amount. Saving isn't what left after spending. Spending should be what's left after saving. Mistake number two, living to impress others. Many people buy expensive phones, designer clothes, luxury bikes, and branded items not because they need them, but because they want to impress others. The harsh reality is most people are too busy worrying about their own lives to care what phone you are carrying. Buying things you don't need with money. You don't have to impress people who don't care is one of the fastest way to stay broke. True wealth is financial freedom, not expensive possessions. Mistake number three, no monthly budget. If you don't know where your money goes, your money disappears. Track every expenses for a month. You will be shocked to discover how much you have spent on the food delivery, subscriptions, online shopping, impulse purchases. A simple budget gives every rupee a purpose. Money without a plan disappears. Mistake number four, depending on one income source. Imagine losing your job tomorrow. How long could you survive? If your answer is only a month or two, that's very risky. Successful people create multiple income streams. Examples are freelancing, teaching online, and affiliate marketing, selling digital products, dividend investments, rental income, and so on. Either one additional income source can make a huge difference. So understand it. Mistake number five, using credit cards carelessly. Credit cards aren't free money, they are borrowed money. When you only pay the minimum amount due, the interest keeps growing month after month. So, a small purchase today can become the last debt tomorrow. If you use your credit card, pay the full bill every month. Never spend money you don't already have. Mistake number six, ignoring investing. Many people save money in a bank account for the years. But the problem is, inflation slowly reduces its purchasing power. Money should grow. Investing allows money to work for you. You don't need lakhs to begin. Starting with even a small monthly investment consistently is more important than waiting for a perfect time. Time is the market. Usually matters more than timing the market. Mistake number seven, lifestyle inflation. Your salary increases, immediately your expense increases too. A bigger phone, better bike, more expensive restaurants, costlier vacations. If every salary hike is matched by a higher spending, you will never face financial comfortable. Increase your savings rate every time your income increases. Mistake number 8, no emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Medical emergencies, job loss, family emergencies, unexpected repairs. Without emergency savings, many people are forced to debt and to build an emergency fund that covers several months of essential funds. This provides peace of mind and the financial stability. Mistake number 9, never learning about money. School teaches many subjects, but very few teach personal financing. If you never learn about the budgeting, investing, taxes, insurance, and financial planning, someone else will profit from your lack of knowledge. So spend a little time each week learning about the money. Financial education can pay dividends for the rest of your life. And finally, mistake number 10, waiting for the perfect time. I'll start saving next month. I'll invest after I get a better salary. I'll plan my finances next year. Months becomes years. Years becomes decades. The perfect time rarely arrives. So, starting a small today is far better than waiting for the perfect tomorrow. Remember, becoming financially strong isn't about the highest salary. It's about making the smarter decisions with the money you already have. So, which of these 10 mistakes have you made before? Share your answers in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn the notifications because every week we share our practical money tips to help you build a strong financial future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.